The War to Combat Desertification and Drought is a United Nations observance celebrated each year on 17th June. Desertification is the persistent degradation of dry land, ecosystems and variation in climate and human activities. These dry lands are home to over one-third of the entire human population and they occupy nearby half of Earth's land area. Drought and desertification affect the livelihood of millions of people who rely on the benefits that dry land ecosystems can provide. The theme of Desertification Day this year is Her Land, Her Right, which focused on women's land rights as a key element of achieving the connected global goals of gender equality and land degradation.
grazing by animals is a huge problem for many areas that are started to become desert biomes. Excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers to maximize crop yields in short time often leads to damage the soil. Soil pollution. When soil becomes polluted due to various human activities, the respective area of land may suffer from desertification. In spite of these, other causes are deforestation, soil erosion, urbanization, overuse of groundwater, and natural disasters. So, desertification and drought is not just a problem, it is a threat to our motherland and for all living beings. So, let's take a stand together and spread awareness against it. Thank you.
Join the fight, conserve land and energy to secure our shared future by preventing desertification and drought. Celebrate this World Day to combat desertification and drought by investing in the future by investing in the soil. Thank you.
Scarcity of water, barren land, and drought are threat to living organisms on Earth. Let's take a stand against these issues and preserve our Mother Earth and environment.
Let our future dry up, conserve water, and save the planet from drought.
Desertification and drought. Number 1. Effect should be made to develop more sustainable, regenerative agricultural ecosystem that maintains cover and promote soil health. Number 3. To prevent desertification, it is important to raise the environmental awareness among people. Number 4. One of the most effective ways to combat desertification is effective water management, saving and reusing water. So, student of grade 5, Moina is going to sing an awareness song on water conservation.
Water is for life. What do we need when the land is dry? Where we go when the sun is high? Many will answer, water is for life. Water for you, water for me. Water for animals, water for trees. Water for everyone in society. Treating water as a treasure, conserving water for a happier life. Come on, it's a time for a change. Let's go save water before it disappears. We won't waste water. We will start right now, right here. Let's go save water before it disappears. We won't waste water. We will start right now, right here. We will protect it with have no fear. Thank you.
Do you know the desert is silently coming closer to our home, Delhi NCR? Yes, in the next 20 to 25 years, there will be no greenery, no drinking water, and no clear sky. It will be done by none of other than due to our negligence and careless attitude towards the environment and natural habitat. Many species of animals, birds, trees, and fishes have disappeared from our surroundings. The groundwater level has gone dangerously down. It is the last cry of Mother Earth. Come join hands to protect our Mother Earth. It's now or never movement.